Okay, keep it clean, boys. We're recording. After getting with Jim, Mike, you definitely look like you did some good shopping at Goodwill. Boots and funky socks, and shorts. There is nothing that matches on you.
Hey, his honey's 3,000 miles that way. He doesn't care what he looks like.
That's right. Holy cow. Itches like a mother. And I saw it on me, and I'm like, I'm gonna let you bite a little bit, so I get you, and I hit him, and he's dead.
Black fly or
Yeah.
green heads?
No, it's a black fly.
Really?
Actually, it was your foot. That was him. Cast. That's a cast. Now you got to catch something with it. One just jumped right there. Hurry. Right back there where the bubbles are still sitting on the water. It's the bilge pump.